News Channel 5 Snow Watch is sponsored by Tennessee Stars, Trevecca Nazarene University, and Hiller Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical.
Tough time for a lot of people.
Exactly. I told you,
Yes.
I could just boo him right now. I think we're all just a little emotional this time of year, but
Yes.
moving on from that, you know, people are in happier places for sure.
Yes, kids are excited about perhaps a snow watch.
Yes, we do have some schools that are 2-hour delay as anticipated. This is a very low impact system. So as far as, sorry y'all, my papa just passed and so I'm having a hard time.
It's okay, here, take your time. Take your time. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. A lot of people feeling this way. It's okay. It's okay. You know what? It's okay.
It is, because he's happy. Let's get to the forecast.
Okay.
Okay.
Should we talk about snow? There's no snow out there. No. Nick thought there was going to be snow, but you were right.
Nick thought we were all going to be on our sleds, didn't he? He's always spreading those little rumors, but you know what? That is not the case this morning. Here's a live look for you outside right now. Thankfully, we're good friends here, and we can have these discussions together. So, sweet Jennifer. Okay, let's get to the maps. We don't need to look at me anymore. Let's get to the maps. Here's a live look for you right now. Current temperature, 36 degrees. Winds, I'm so sorry. Winds are out of our north-northwest, 7 miles per hour. Yes, it feels a lot colder than what it actually is, so that is an issue. Here's a look for you right now in Lawrenceburg. Y'all, of course, Christmas is coming up on the second Sunday, so that's some really exciting news right there. Currently, y'all are at 34, and no, you didn't have any too much in the way of that winter weather, but we still have a little bit of wintry mix, especially areas hugging the Kentucky-Tennessee state line. That continues to move out, but just because it's not in your vicinity right now doesn't necessarily mean that there aren't any slick spots. And you know those bridges and overpasses, they tend to be quite fickle when we have this type of setup. So we still have some really cold rain. You'll notice temperatures though, Fayetteville, y'all are winning out 41 right now. So here's a look at the map. Hermitage Springs, a little bit more of that wintry mix. Tompkinsville, you had a little snow, now getting a wintry mix for you as well as into Berkmansville. But this is gonna quickly move its way out. Thank you, Jennifer. As we go throughout the next little bit. So today, we're really gonna shift more so, as we discussed, the cold air in place. And it is going to be a doozy because mentally we're kind of like, okay, well, we got it out of here. So things should improve. And it's just going to be a little cloudy and a little bit cold. Right now, though, we've got current temperatures 34 in Bowling Green, 33 in Camden. Columbia, you're coming in at 36 with 37 in McMinnville. These winds, that is going to be the kicker, though. Right now, it feels like 21 in Murray, 29 in Camden. Dixon feels like 29 for y'all. And this little Hopkinsville feels closer to 23 degrees. I think we all can say, let's go to Fayetteville. If you're not a fan of this cold weather, at least for now, but Fayetteville, you are going to have a major chill. So here's a look at exact track. As we discussed, this isn't exactly the gospel, but it is a good indication. And one thing that's going to stick around, number one, the cold conditions and the cloud cover. So we're just not going to receive too much in the way of heat. So even as we make our way to 9:30, a lot of us will actually decrease in the way of those temperatures. And that's just going to be a little bit of a stick as we go throughout the afternoon. Now, by around 3:30, areas west of I-65, you will notice some clearing. And then that eventually will take over for everyone, but it's a little too late. So temperatures still hovering in those 30s, feeling like the 20s. Overnight tonight, we're going to dip back in the widespread 20s with clear skies in place. And Wednesday's going to feel as if we are sitting next to a furnace. Still well below average, but 40s, which is a major step up from where we're going to be today. You'll notice a few clouds starting to increase as we make our way overnight into parts of Thursday. Slightly warmer, but still freezing for all of us. But how is it going to feel today? The bulk of the day will feel as if we are in the widespread 20s. Now, at times when the wind, even though it's not going to be too abrupt, it's still going to bring that bite. It'll subside a bit and we'll feel face value for a little bit. But most of us feeling as if we are below freezing. So as we make our way into Friday, here we go again. We're going to have some more cold air moving in as well as some moisture. We'll watch for the potential for some wintry mix. As y'all know, we're still several days out. The majority of us north of I-40, that will be something to monitor. Your 7-day forecast, temperatures today technically above freezing, but will not feel that way. Tomorrow, chance for a sprinkle or two early by the afternoon, 48, 44 on Thursday. Friday, we're watching for another potential wintry mix as we make our way into the weekend. Jennifer, we warm up into the low 50s, but we still have those morning lows right around freezing.